Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Jobs with Shubham. So today I'm going to provide a very good opportunity. So those who are looking for data engineer job or a software engineer job as a entry level, so you can apply for the job. This is a very good opportunity. And अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. So let's go and start the video. So this is the page of HRS group and it's hiring for data engineer for all genders and they are hiring for Chandigarh location. So let's talking about this position. So we are currently looking for a Chandigarh and Mohali based data engineer all genders to join in the team of dedicated professional. So let's talking about this challenges to develop an innovative data landscape and for driving the business with ethical solution up to real time with state of the art technologies, create a new data service in collaboration with the product owner, peers to other stakeholder, get your hands dirty in AWS cloud based environment and all, and gets things done technology like Spark, Hadoop, Kinesis and Elasticsearch, build next generation data platform, data service, data product and tooling. So for exercise for understanding with the takes a design, building and maintain successful data platform, service and product, hands-on experience of software development, software engineering like programming language such as Java, Python, big data technologies such as Hadoop, Spark, etc. Excellent communication skill and collaborative with the business stakeholder. Fluency in English is must, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job, so you have to just click here apply and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. Moving to the next job is coming from Optum and it's hiring for software engineering, SQL, Python, Scala, Azure, and they are hiring for Noida location. So let's talking about this. So we are seeking for innovative data engineer to join in the distributions team. In this role, this role offered a unique opportunity for significantly impact of pioneering functions with an industry leading organization. The primary responsibility including design, develop, implementing, testing, deploying, monitoring and maintaining systematic data delivery methods. So let's talking about these roles and responsibilities. So collaborate with the lead engineering, data scientist and architecture to design, understand the data requirement and design optimal solution, design, develop, implement and manage cross-domain, modular, optimized, flexible, scalable, secure, reliable and high quality data for meaningful analysis, analytical, ensuring the operability, enhance data efficiency, reliability and quality of develop data solution, and all these things you have to know. And your degree of equivalent experience can apply. Expertise experience in working with big data and cloud tool such as Spark, Scala, Python and GitHub Action, and core understanding of basics distributed system and proficiency of SQL experiences, data modeling and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job, so you have to just click here apply and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. More than next job is coming from Micron and it's hiring for data engineer for Hyderabad location. So let's talk about this job description. So understanding big data engineering, processing, business intelligence and advanced analytical knowledge of ETL design and process, knowledge of database warehouses modeling, knowledge of cloud-based data engineering and machine learning models, knowledge of building API and application integration, and knowledge of software development lifecycle process, and all these things you have to know. And those who have a big data engineering process using Google Cloud Tech Stack, BigQuery, table, cloud function, Spark and cloud storage, cloud data engineering, knowledge of GCP, AWS, Azure is plus, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job, so you have to just click here apply and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. So in this video we have talked about 3 jobs for data engineer and software engineer job. So if you are looking for these jobs also, you can apply for the job. This is a very good opportunity. And अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. And if you have any question then ask me in the comment section, I will help you. So thanks for watching. Till the goodbye and we